I'm Becca Berger, tech entrepreneur and the inventor of WeatherWash. It all began at the Dallas-Fort Worth Art Museum, where I first saw Michelangelo's Torment of St. Anthony. I could not believe he did that at 12 years old. Across the street, at the Amon Carter Museum, I first discovered Georgia O'Keeffe. I fell in love with the reds in her red cannas. Around the corner, you'll find her Rancho's Church painting. The second I saw that color, I had to have it in my home. So as a DIY blogger, the first thing I do is I go to Walmart and I buy up all the wood stains that I think will help me to achieve that look. Unfortunately, nothing came close. So, I have a chemistry background. I decided I need to invent this color into my own wood stain. It's a one-step process. The stain dries in just 20 minutes and then you're ready for a top coat in under 1 hour. I blogged about the whole experience and people really liked my furniture posts, but a strange thing happened. They wanted to buy the wood stain. So I sold it. People love WeatherWash so much, it's launching into Walmart. Can you believe it? When I invented WeatherWash, I didn't know that I was on the artist's journey. But now, I've allowed other artists to create their masterpieces. WeatherWash was just the first step. Since then, I've invented the furniture paint, the wall paint, and the wood stain. For my next challenge, I've designed a line for the Apple stores I'm calling the Human Touch. I'd like to thank all the contributors to the Dallas-Fort Worth Art Museum and the Amon Carter Art Museum, but I'd especially like to thank Alice Walton. If it were not for your contributions, I never would have been inspired. I never would have invented WeatherWash, and I wouldn't be inspiring other artists to create their art with WeatherWash by selling on Walmart's shelves.